Hey guys, it's Gwen. So today I'll be making a tutorial on how to do an After Effects Inspire overshoot zoom transition on alight motion. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe and turn on the notification button so you won't leave any of the tutorials. And make sure to go request the next tutorial I shall make next. Okay guys, so first of all is you're gonna need to create your new project or using the project you're gonna edit. Okay guys, so after creating your project, now we're gonna import the clips you're gonna need. Okay guys, so for this part, we're gonna need to rescale all the clips we've imported. So for my settings, I'm gonna mask all the clips I'm importing and I'm gonna split into the timeline I've created. Okay guys, after rescaling, now we're gonna import the second clip. And for the second clip, you can do it like the first one. Just rescale it and split it into the timeline that you've created. Okay guys, so now we're gonna add an effect. Go to distortion and wrap and add tiles. For the tiles, don't forget to turn on the mirror. Okay guys, so now we're adding a second effect. Go to blur and search for motion blur. Okay guys, so now we're adding an effect into the second clip. For the effects, you're gonna need to add the same effect like the first one. Just add tiles and motion blur. Okay guys, so now we're moving into move and transform. In this part, you're just gonna need to mess up with all the keyframes you're gonna use. You can follow my keyframe settings or even making it your own keyframe settings. It's all optional. Okay guys, for the graphs, it's all up to you, but here I'm using my own graph. You can follow mine or even making it your own. Okay guys, so now I'm adding a coloring into my edit. It's all up to you, but here I'm using a coloring to make it look beautiful. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone have a really great day. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and turn on the notification button so you won't leave any of my tutorials. And make sure to go request the next tutorial I shall make next. Thank you and God bless you.